our president will be arriving. Okay? Okay, as I mentioned earlier, please enter the room because we're going to shut down the doors. Again, I'll repeat, no selfies, please. And by the way, one thing I feel very proud about is that our president-elect has decided to come to Cebu to visit us. And I think that's a very big honor for all of us. I'd like to acknowledge Michael Dino, the man behind Bisaya na Put. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, President-elect of the Republic of the Philippines, Mayor Aquino Duterte! 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 Once again, President-elect Mayor Duterte. Thank you very much. I'd like to call on Michael wherever you are. And by the way, may we request everyone to please be seated as we start our program. Okay, at this point, I'd like to call on Mr. Michael Dino of Bisaya na Put, co-founder and presidential assistant for Visayas, for his welcome address. Ayong gabi, enjoy ka lang. Welcome everyone to our Bisaya na Put Thanksgiving party. I'd like to welcome our Mayor President, Rody Duterte. I want to call him Mayor because he really wants to be called Mayor still. But he's the president already, so we have no choice but to call him Mayor President na lang, compromise. I'd like to welcome Senator Alan is here already, I think. Not yet, but he's on his way. Speaker Levon Alvarez. Secretary Vito Mire, Secretary Albusi, Sir Bongo, Special Assistant. Of course, the father of federalism here in Cebu, Mr. Lito Osmeña, Governor Lito Osmeña. And friends from Manila who came all the way to celebrate with us. And from Davao as well. Dito Manayo, of course, my godfather. Maayong gabi, kaninyong tanan.
Of course, and I will never forget our Bisaya Kapod volunteers. Maraming salamat. This party is really for you. This Thanksgiving is really to thank you for all the support that you've given us. It all started somewhere 2014 when I met Speaker Bebo Valores in a party, and he mentioned about federalism, and he talked about Mayor Duterte. Because of that, it got me all excited, and I said, if that really happens, I think I have to show face and really support Mayor Duterte. Towards the end of 2014, because Tito Panayo, who got me into the campaign to listening tour regarding federalism. So I said, okay, I want to be part of it. That's the reason why Bisaya Kapod came about. And the rest is history. I don't want to talk too much, but Mayor Digong, Mayor President Digong, daghan salamat. Thank you very much for giving us the most exciting roller coaster in our lives. Grabe. Thank you very much for the wonderful journey, and most of all, for the unforgettable memories. Thank you very much. Our team made a video of this. I hope you like it.
I think you better go back and come up stage. No, you really deserve this. Come on. Shy man si Michael. Magpaka na to, please. Michael, thank you very much. At this point, okay.
Daghang salamat.
Okay, at this point, we have a very lovely lady, Pride of Cebu, who will serenade our Mayor President. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Anna Feji.
We love you, Mayor President.
Thank you very much, Miss Anna Feji. Round of applause. Thank you. Okay, our next guest, gusto ko mag-introduce niya. Segunda na iskagwapo na mayo, President. Ladies and gentlemen, Baste Duterte.
May gabi sa inyo parang may gabi pa. First of all, naman ko I want to tell you a story. When I was younger, ipamuntahan ako ni Papa. Kining panahon na I want to go back in time. He asked me, kinsa yung number 1 idol? Kaya anak ko, si Michael Jordan. Pa, I want to tell you now that my answer was wrong. Ikaw yung ako number 1 idol. Bisag ginunahan lang ko, I would not be the person I am now if not for I have always looked up to you. Bisag ginunahan lang ko pa. And Senator, good evening. It's too bad, bro. Pero you may have lost the elections, but you won the hearts of so many Filipinos. Yung support na pinagsipa mo kay Mayor, I cannot imagine who else could do it. Especially when I saw your picture, you know, I am not very, you know, when it comes to practice, I do not go to church, but when I saw you on that picture, kneeling and praying to God, that really showed me something. It really showed me something. I don't know if I told you a story, but I napo ko isa ka story I will share sa inyo. During the campaign, this was during the campaign, I have a friend, amigo mo itong high school. Ako alam ng brother. Ging nandun niya. This guy told me na, Tol, hindi ko may tagawag pa na sa Bisaya o sa. He told me na hawakan na gunitin na inunan na kuhaan sa gobyerno daw ni mong Papa. I am telling you this day, even during the campaign, na yung mga tao na inunan na gihapon. Especially to my contemporaries, kaning mga youth ba. Pagbukuan man good, when it comes to our responsibility ba as Filipinos, pag muuna man ko ng kwarta sa tukok, pinag-unao sa itong kasing-kasing, pindi yun ta. I just felt the need to share this to you because it is true and mga na-experience na po. Baga rin nagputang ka si Mayor at ang Presidente. Kaya, gusto na ito you should move on from all of this na naanda na ito na tinuod na itong mga youth let us not tolerate this hindi na tagalahan kapoy ng sinunod na kato ang buwan lang pag dalang salamat kayo sa Cebu, especially kung pagsuportan niyo sa kong Papa. Bakit mo niyo talikti? Gingon ko naman ang katong ako sa SRP. Pero mas gamay na kwarto, salamat yun kayo. Kung man yung diri man gikan sa iyo Papa, yung utang tubuhan. Bakit niyo talikti ako ang mahal? Nagang salamat sa mga tanang. Moro ko kayo ng mga. God bless you.
The next person I'll be introducing is a person who has really gained my respect. Intelligent, humble, and in a way, shy. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you Senator Alan Peter Cayetano to give his message and introduce our guest award.
Maayong gabi sa kalinyang tanan. Maraming salamat sa ating second home na Cebu. I want to tell you a short story. No? In the Bible, there is a parable of the persistent widow. There was a widow who suffered an injustice. So she went back sa judge. Every day, judge, give me justice, judge, give me justice. Every night, bumabalik, judge, bigyan mo ko ng justice. No? And finally, the judge went out and told the widow, I do not fear God, I do not fear man. But because you are so persistent, I will hear your case and I will give you justice. And this is what the Filipino people did. We persistently told Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte, give us justice, run for President of the Republic of the Philippines. And unlike the judge, this man fears God and respects men. But beside him, and allow us to pay tribute because 2 beses kaming pabalik-balik po or more, din po sa Cebu, and Secretary Governor dito, we always miss you dahil medyo late po kami. I know you are one of those who were persistent for federalism and for the Philippines to realize that Metro Manila is not the Philippines. Mayroon Visayas, mayroon Mindanao, may Southern Luzon and Northern Luzon. Just like me, I may have lost the battle, but I have won the war with Mayor Duterte. You may have lost the battle way back in Bromley, but through your inspiration and through you charging Mayor to continue the fight for federalism, Governor Lito, you have also won the war in 2016. Lastly, Mayor, before I'm tasked also, as my task has been for the 7 months, and it's my privilege, of course, pagka-presidente na po kayo, bawal ang mahabang introduction. Parati lang, ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines. But since hindi pa kayo presidente, and I can talk a little bit, may I just also tell the Mayor that there are a lot of comments about your appointments. There are a lot of comments about your press cons. I always tell them just one thing. Do you believe in him or not? Because if you believe in him, whether or not you believe on that specific appointment, that specific statement, stand behind him because the mayor knows what he is doing. He knows what he wants to accomplish. He knows what we are longing for. He is an extraordinary man, wanting this extraordinary race we call Filipinos to take our place in the world stage. But here, let me tell you that, with your permission, I agree with many of your appointments. Marami po akong pinanood sa TV, pinapanapakan ko. I know you decide on your own. Marami pong advisors all around, but you decide on your own. May I just tell you, Mr. President, that there is one person I think who worked harder than everyone else except of you. And when you appointed him, I was watching TV, and my heart jumped because although he's always been in the background, he truly deserves the honor. Presidential Assistant in charge of PNS, Bong Go. But what an honor, and I think he deserves it. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, the person we will call President, but more than that, the President we will call Kuya, and to many of us, he will be our father. Walang iba po kung hindi si Presidente Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
This will take a little bit longer than the talk of Alan. May gabi kaninyong tanan. Karong okay, here to share the moment with me. Salamat sa inyong pagdalo karong gabi. I'd like to also announce this Tuesday. Lalabas ko maya sa gate. I have to meet I do not feel comfortable gani ata. Do not be offended with the food around, but naidaghang tao na itong dali niya, nalusoy ko. And I was trying to argue with the PSG noong unang adlaw because I drove them out from Taskford daw. I said, if I want to die, I want to die alone. I do not want to drag other people. Sabi ng PSG, alam mo sir, naniniwala akong kami sa iyo. We will obey you. Except kung sa trabaho namin, because the order does not come from you. It comes from our man-made sa mata. So, when I could no longer reach out to you, sanay kasi ako sa agad ko sulot ko mga tao kay probinsano ang akong upbringing. That is why it would, I said that, feel awkward na labyan ako mga tao na di na ako sila istorya lang. Salamat sa ilang tao. Yung survey kasi noon, the earlier surveys that conducted here all over the country showed me trailing. It was just about 3, 4, 5. There is a Visayas. And you were worried. Tingnan ako sila, ayaw mo karoon. Kayo landslide ko din sa Cebu. Doon kayo nag-politika. Doon kayo nag-politika. Actually, ang the elder brother sa akong amahan, Ramon Duterte, once upon a time, the mayor of Cebu City. Ang iyang anak, si Ronnie, for a short while, became also an acting mayor also. Kami, tungkol sa kapobrehon, ikra lang may sa Danao. And my father and mother maybe decided to migrate to other places in Mindanao. I remember riding in a Studebaker truck. But that was the truck that brought us to the, but we had to take the long and winding roads of Mindanao to reach down. It was also a long and winding road of sacrifice and action. Kasi I was about 4 years old na. So nakikita ko na yung the play of life. And as a matter of fact, we suffered a demolition. I could still, even if the molecules of my brain can gather again the smell of the wetlands of Davao, doon kami ng tayo ng bahay. And the sloganeering at the time was go to Mindanao because it is a land of promise, which was not really the case. It was just a sloganeering of the Americans kasi gusto nilang, of course, Mindanao, they have noticed that long time ago na walang bagyo, fertile ang lupa, and so they can get more because of the climate. And no Moro ever was willing to work. Christian sila. At that time, you know, when Magellan landed in Leyte, 80 years before, Islam ang Mindanao because Mindanao was part of a sultanate that was not a part of the Visayas. Kaya yan sila, they can relate more with the Malaysians sa Sabah. Because they belong in the old days, they belong to that group there. So, when they developed Mindanao, they had to call in. Ngayon naman, naloko, gaya namin, lalo with part of our lives, sila tayo, pumunta doon. So I said, yung Matina pati, ito na ba, Matina pati, Jacinto, ito, walk every day. Because my mother was also teaching sa Santa Elementary School. Yun ang buhay. And then my father, by faith, Kachamba, he became governor. Life was a little bit easy. Then when we lost our mother, we went back to paying our debts, and one time, I was second year na kami ni Bit a year. I was about to give up because our allowance was in 3 years na. By installments, per week na. My mother had to sell the properties. Yun ang. So, probinsyano. Ang tanong ito, di Manila, idiocy, is that we want people in the national scene almost coming also from there, those who are known. Ang problema nito ganito, I am from Mindanao, from a city just about facing Australia. On a clear day, makikita mo yung mga puti doon. It was far. Tapos ang crowd po Davao City. Then I went to study in Manila. I ended my studies for 10 years sa Luzon. Ngayon, yung ang kilala ko, ang kailan na ako, ang taga-Davao, o ang akong mga classmates, o akong mga brad, I was not the social type, and nobody was inviting me in the social gatherings of Manila. So wala akong kilala kung sino bright pati idiot doon. So, when the time came, ayun ang crowd ko eh. Eskwelahan, dormitoryo, pati Davao City. So, yan lang ang kilala ko. Wala na akong kalabit doon na ikaw. Sino ba pangalan mo? Bright ka raw. So, when the time came, I chose, of course, taga-Davao. Therefore, the speaker, ang sabot mo lang na mo, kumpanya with federalism, it ended up with, now the speaker of the house, ana lang ang mong sabot. And do you know why I was really very insistent about Mindanao? Kasi hindi nakuha. Everybody seems to have forgotten the age-old problem. As I have said, 80 to 100 years before Magellan landed in Leyte, Mindanao was already Islam. Ngayon naman ang problema. And they promised the Moro people that they would redeem the race and generation. And they're going to war. And from the looks of it, yung kalabang words, water under the bridge. But nobody was talking about Mindanao. Hirap kami doon. You know, my cathedral was bombed twice. On Easter Sunday and on Christmas Eve. Ang airport, just as the passengers were going up to the terminal to get the rides, pumutok. At ang pangkalan. It's a bit scary really if nobody's talking how do we solve the problem. Yun na. I will tell you now. Mark my word. Baka makuha ko, baka hindi ko makuha. Nothing but nothing will solve the problem now of Mindanao except federalism. Maniwala kayo. Hinahilot ka na lang namok na. Murad said he will go to war without the PBL. Promises after promises heaped on the Moro people. And then wala. And they promised that before they get out of power, nandyan yung BBM. So actually, Murad is sharpening his tools. Kasi sinabi namin, crazy fighting us. Sabi ko, kung gusto mo talaga galit ka, do not take it against your brothers. You go to Manila, dalhin na natin yung mga TNT niyo, pati yung mga IED ninyo. Doon natin paputukin sa Malacanang, pati sa Pobre. Kasi yung mga gago, ang tanong walang ginawa, hindi naman kaya. Bakit mo bumbahan ng gago? Bakit mo bumbahan ng simba? Wala namang kasalanan. Sabi ko, and if you start the revolution now, tapos during the compare, I told them straight, ang siyala, God willing, pag ako ang nanalo, magpatayan tayo. My grandfather was Chinese, Lam. Yan ang istorya ko. Ang may son, pati ni Pastor, yung mayor na, vice mayor na yun, married a lady whose mother is in Maranao, whose father is a Tausog. What am I supposed to do? Yung magpagira. Where do I point my gun? At the moment, go to the Christian. Wala nang sasalita niya. So nobody was giving us even an insight of how to solve this country. Let alone the law and order problem and drugs. The long administration never really took a hard stand against drugs. So tignan natin, tignan mo ngayon. We have this problem and it's flooding the country. Kaya, hindi ako tatakbo sa pagkakapupunta. But there's another one, personal na to. It was a statement passed on by the speaker. Before, we were just trying to sort out what to do about Mindanao. I took it really as a personal effort. Yun ang, kaya ako tumulong. Tapos because of Mindanao, ano wala sila ginawa sa problema? Yung akin yun, huwag ka naman tanong kung saan yun. Yung iniwan sa Malate na 10 kilos, iniwan na sa kotse tapos walang driver, walang lahat. O siguro iniwan mo yan dyan. Wala na yun. Tinapon ko. Alam mo bakit? Technically, the price namin galing mo siya. Believe mo. Doon umpisa, tapos doon rin namin nakuha yung kita mo, saan ka makita dito? Where do you find in this planet the world where they have the penal institutions, where the low life are gathered there, and they continue to book the book and commit crime and live like kings. Bakit known lahat? So, unexplorated because hindi natin pasok ito, paghintay ninyo. Si Rainier, sa Bucor na yun, Rainier, Cruz, Rainier Cruz, is a veteran sa Mindanao. Pero, lagyan mo ng jammers. Nakakabili naman sila na mas madalas yung that it can overcome the jamming instruments of weapons that we have there. How do you solve the problem? Sabi ko doon sa mga people, you solve your problem now because I will solve it for you kung nabutan ko. Sinabi ko, I do not want anybody standing there. That's all also the problem with the Abu Sayyaf. The Abu Sayyaf actually is connected with the Mindanao issue. I never talk about it. But we have to do something about it. The weapons of the Abu Sayyaf are the original weapons in the hands really of the rebels now fighting for an ideology of a government of their own. It's a crafted ideology yan. Ngayon, kung Suarez, kung sino-sinong leader, did not or cannot deliver. That is why in desperation, yung mga bata nag-peel off na. And now they are beyond control. So there will be a time that I have to say to them, to declare to them, surrender with no conditions and release all hostages. Hey, basta ako, because our intelligence, kaya nag-briefing rin ako kanina, that's why I was brief ko sa KASA. Na KASA is the Air Force base dyan sa ating there will be another institution of the state. Sabi ko karoon na, ay pamburo pa rin sa ako, kasi ako ng panahon. Lagi na bukan ako. Baru kung ihaw na rin sa akong panahon, nag-dakay na dyan. Gusto na na. Naku, pero ihaw na ka na, gusto na. But the region,
Saman, okay na na?
Reklamo lang yun. Told me every day to talk to me. Ano mga gawa ko? They're asking for 650 million. 600 million. Ang problema, kung ilang bilog-bilog dito sa ipakita nila, yun yung may pera. Yun yung pinamina dyan sa kumbong kasi tayo mas financing all of this. Ang pobre, wala rin yan.
Pag-headset, parang klaro audio.
Nakita yung problema. I talked to started talking at 2 o'clock in the morning. We ended at 7. Ganon ang mga purpose something to do with. So, give us a desire to move in time. What is the reward of it? You cannot touch anything about the police, military, kung mas may ano. At yung mga DA, I was about to give them the DNR. Ang problema, I realized after that, and after that, I was giving may mga minahan eh. Mayroon sa control, may Mindanao. Buslot. Very schooling. Ayun ang that's my short. But immediately earlier, I promise you, I will stop corruption. It will stop. DOTC, ano niya karoon? We had members of Congress and they were sold out to the DOTC. Number of 2K. Naroon na yun. Bit of really, Victorian, this is trial lawyer. At isiwag tuloy, tulong, talabas tuloy. Ano, hindi naman. That's the trial. Yung mga bright na, actually I'm surrounded by Borresa was Senator, was the valedictorian. Sunny Dominguez, valedictorian yan. Art Tugade is the valedictorian. mismo na nila. Hindi naman lahat. Tunggali is from Tugigaraw. Bit is from Quezon na. Distributed naman. Nakita ko kasi. Sandreda. Yun all good, yes, all good. Ang yung manager sa airport, ang puso. Brilliant. So, lahat yan mga marunong. Puro ng mga scholar, ako lang ang 75. The class of 75, average 75 that proves the country right now. Ayaw ko naman. Sige, aral-aral ako. Ang nag-away ng mama, gusto mong karong dito. Sige, pa ako niya ako. Sige lang, tapos mo sa karong mo. Gusto ko minor mo na yung anak. Gusto ko ulit ka. Ang anak natin, dinudugo niya. Hindi na niya. So yan ang goal. Well, I do not have the credentials. I am not the one who I am not the one who graduate, neither he. Ibu ka kisay ka pulgar niya. Suntihan mo. Congressman Lagdameo o si Bongbong Marcos.
Dole na speaker
Ano ko si Bongbong sabihin? Huwag ka lang may ingay. Basta sabihin ko sa'yo. Talawan ang nangyyawa. Madlog anong... Yun. Well, ito si... Pero okay po ito kayo na... Bilis naka-insulto ko mo. Mo di mapildi nga Mar, 3 beses ka na umuhi. Ninervous ka ata. Ninervous hindi ay. Siguro, ngayon sa daang matuwid, moderator, might as well tell him to use a tape recorder. It's the same thing all over again. May magandang, mas may manang sa debate wang ka, minarama ba? Kaya sa debate ka ng open field, tuwas na ka sa anang specific federalism. Kung ka ng free for all, yan ang lang ka diha. You know, I realized very early in the game na you're only given one minute, 30 seconds ng klaseng debate. So, ako bullet na lang. Never deliver the script. But ako, I will do this. Diyan, bawi na ako dito pag question and answer. Pagtana ng akanes, kaya ne. Kaya ganing ang maestra, pinaka-maestra akong nailang, tapos na akong mama. Sarap, you know. Na. Ayan si Beto. Mag-graduate na lang sa law school, nakapag-iba rin. Na, sunod sa eskwelahan. Wala ko pa ba na sa tanggal mga pari-iyawa. Wala ko pa ba na sa exercises, graduation. Wala ko pa itong diploma sa stage. May nabaril ako. Pero lusot lang yapon. Paningot ko sa ako naman iyawa. Kaya kung kanang slur daw, yan ang mahirap. Yung mga bisaya, tuntong niya. Dili niya akong mga brother, bukutan namin. Mahatlak mo po yun po silon. Ayun, ganon. Ganon, doon nag-umpisa eh. Itik-itik siya tumotog, utang ina mo, pag kami tinamaan ako, babarilin kita. Ay, naigo yung ngayon, sige po sila, no? Higda na yun. So are the things in life. Daga ko gagian ng problema actually. Yung nandyan na tapos, makulgot gani. Pero nakalusot pa rin ako. Ang kadaot lang ato kay si pangutana akong mama. Rodrigo, ano sa mga graduation ninyo? Day, sayo ko mag-uli. Ako, sabi ng pare, mandatigo. Marcialo lawyers na yan. Si Gubot yun ang Menjola. Nagulungan doon, si buto-buto. Kaya mga flamethrower. Di na lang daw una. Kaya magmisa na lang daw sa nagwapo mo na mong chapel at St. Travis. At doon na lang daw ito. Pero ang diploma ihatag. Pwede pa daw karoon. Ano ba? Kausa, ganing karibang mga maestro sa Breda, nag-immersion. Yato sa bukid nun. There's a church there in Transfiguration of Christ. May mo kanta ng monk sa San Breda. Gwapo yung Pentecost. And you can hear it if you go there. It's a very solemn place. Gwapo ang ambience. Dito sila. Kung sa'yo nakaong si Lacson, Regent Salo. Punta tayo ng Davao kasi na doon yung mayor. Taga San Beda yun. Kung nato kung nato, wala man ko sa Taiwan. Kung liyain mo ang nanay, yan na lang. Di pag-abot na ito sa party kailihan. Ito yung nanay ni mayor. Munta na ako mamaroon. Father, yung pang graduation nila Rodrigo. Ano ba yun? Tuloy ba yun? Bakit nga po din Lacson? Tuloy man. Bakit? Sabi ng anak ko, wala na lang daw gugot. Yan ang sinabi ng anak mo? Oo. Ay, anak ko na-expel dyan dahil baril niya yung... Ipaguli na rin ko sa mga patawag ko. Anong imo mag-uli? Punto. Dahil ako, lagot mo pa doon. Great ako kay Padre Lacson. Sabi ko, putang ino, pare mo sa mamatayan. Namatay. Sabi ka ng klase. Punta tayo sa abi kay gihaya, giburol si Lacson. Ay putang inang bahok na siya. Bahala na. Wala ko ilabot niya. Kayo lang pumunta doon. Burol-burol. Bahok na ito karoon. Mani akong gagawin na ito. Samo kayo na pinabuhi. Pero kalusot ng po. Munang ayaw niya kong ilahat. Kaya mga taga-Montindo palit siya ka. Pagkaroon yung gitlog nila. I would go. The Republic of the Philippines with a functioning government, and yet you cannot enter the penitentiary anytime you want because you have to negotiate. Itong mga drug lords, kasi pati polis, muna ipadaot ya. Wala ang law enforcement eh. Mag-parade ka. Muna ako, anak na lang yun. Pakanpon ko po ng mga yawa. Daw na ko sa Blisuan, yung pagkuruman, ma-release na po, balik na po sa mutong yun. Kaya nga eh. Nabi ko kay Dilima, kaya ko hindi pinatayan kasi madaldal ka. O ayan, convicted. Papasok. O pagdating doon, anong kasalanan? Gano'n, kung bakit napasok siya. Nagluluto rin lang siya ulit. Yung kabuang ng gobyerno ha. Bago, hindi na lang. Patya na. Dilima, pasag din na. Obispo, pasag din na. Sabi ito, at iba ko, conservative ang Cebu. But we cannot, I have now to protect an entity called the Republic of the Philippines. I have to protect everybody and see to it that our children are protected for tomorrow's duty. Their work. Now I was protecting a community of 2 million people in Davao City. You are protecting the rights of a criminal. So, noon, when I was a practicing lawyer, my client was the criminal. And so I gave it all. But that was before. Now I am mayor at ang kalaban ko na kriminal. Ay, pasensya ka. Wala na tayong magawa niyan. I cannot speculate na ito ba... Ang sinabi ko lang sa mga taga-gobyerno police, do not lie to me. Ayaw yung pamakag sa ako. Basta sila, just like taxes. You just pay the correct taxes. Your woes with the BIR are over. Wala na may problema. You just pay the cost. Do not enter into yung... Magkano gano'n yung billing ng gobyerno, sundin mo, bayaran mo. Wala nang examination. I will not allow. Kana magpadaan sa what? Wala na. So, you are afraid of the corruption sa BIR. And pag meron, just give me a ring and I will solve the problem for you or mismo. Diyan. Hindi na ito madala sa istorya, di ipat yun eh. Na, the Secretary of Justice is here incoming. Most of us are lawyers. Alam mo, every time alam mo, inutil ng administrasyon. May onslaught kasi ng Congress, human rights, tapos andyan pa yung ombudsman. Kaya takot lahat eh. Pero ito, proporsyonada mo lang. Nagustuhan ko ito. It's a very simple sentence actually in the Constitution. Which says, the President has the power to pardon the criminal offender, either conditional or absolute, or grant amnesty with the concurrence of Congress. Amnesty is marami. So, what do you make out of that provision? The President can grant pardon, absolute or conditional. So sabihin ko sa iyo, huminto ka. Ayaw mo huminto, sabihin ko, patayin mo. Patayin mo. Ito ako, sir. Nadimanda namin, sir. Sige. Yung mga anak ko tawag ko sa kamera, sabi ko, kawag ko maingay. Kanyan man ako ano. Di ba kamun ka ilan ako? Tawag ko tawag ko. Totoo. Di ba? Tawag ko wag mo siya ko doon. Kaya yung warbin mo. Kaya ko kopya sa pag-pronde. Resign na. Butang ibungan. At ito si Judge. Lambos na siya lamisa. Pardon. Ipiton mo ako ng laro-laro ka dyan ng kagagawa ko mga abogado pa rin eh bit-agir eh pati ang abogado patayin mo pardon let's see ito na pag inipit sabi ko nga do not box me kausap ko yung mga congressman kagabi sila sabi ko do not huwag ninyo akong investigar tapos huwag mong gawin niya eventually the Lord will end up with me the buck stops here so away tayo niyan basta ako yung tinaron as long as it is really the truth even masabihin na kasi basta criminal kaya ang offer ko ngayon is 5 million. Ang sindikato daw nag-put up ng 10 million para sa buhay ko. O doblado, 20 million. Ano? na may sobrang campaign funds. Iwa may nihatag na ko. Ilang ko kamigo nimo, wala man sila matuon ako. Actually, I was, but those were the amounts that I used to really, I could not travel because of no money. So yun lang but when my ratings went to 22, so ng kwarta. So some gave, yung iba naman, huwag na lang kasi too late na. And even if you want to set up buying stations, you have to have the organization pa mapumusubay na yung kwartang niabot mo yun. Kaya ihatag ng last minute, iba kagising mo po sa anak, yung leader. Hindi na ihatag. Dugay ko sa politika. Nakita mo, so, sabihin ko, so, may pera man dito. Oh, sige. Ihatag ko na. So, ang ko, basta drug lord. Ang sa Cebu kay buutan ng mga tao nga rin, may premium, 5,500,000. Budungagan ako gamay. Kaya ko ako'y makita ang drug lord, himuha ang drug lord, you invent one. Dutahig siya buda, kadakad ko sa bayan, kung sila. Kaya nga, itong mga pulis, kagaganda ng bahay, hindi naman lahat. Dahil mga pulis, sa'yo kayo ang ambisyon. Makadakop kung siya mo 10 kilos. Okay. Ano yan na? 1 kilo. Gano'n yung recycle. Ara ang gawa kaya. Ganun ang laro. Muna usay madakpan nila dako 5 kilos. O ingon lang ang mere possession. Mere possession is bailable. Ano magagawas ka. So na ilang, sige, ipagawas na lang nako sa investigation na gamay ra kayo ang quantity. Doon ang magagawas. Ang mga pulisa mo, putang apil mo. Ihaw. Kaya sabi ko, kung now on, kasi meron kayo dito mga mayor na sa droga, listan ko nag-SAP. Lakay ko yung SAP. Tapos sabihin mo yung kilala nyo na mayor, kailan nyo. Sabi ni Duterte, patayin mo. Patayin mo yung mayor mo. Ngayon, kung ito chief of police, pati mayor naglaro, adi patayin mo kayong dalawa. Pardon. May problema na, pardon. Maligya ka na siya po. Kasi gusto mo po na, may pardon. I do not want to go to the extreme. But I said, I am asking for the reversal of these things. If I cannot get it the right way, then I will do it the wrong way. Because I have this one duty to protect the Republic. Because kasi kung i-right duty ko lang palagi, walang mangyayari sa buhay natin. Because tignan mo naman yung experience natin hanggang ngayon. But I'm not binding anybody there. Kasi mato pa, a bit of you is listening. I will not bind you to. Akin yung, bahala kayo dyan. Basta kanya-kanya tayo lang. Basta kung hindi kita makuha sa sniper. Sniper. Lagyo ko na. Katumba na pa. Kirig-kirig. Gusto na ito. Tanawar. Hita mo na sila. So kanang mga dagro na sakay-sakay o mga SUV nga armored plating. Pagkabot din mo sa inyong balay, ito ano po sa inyong karto? Diba? Huwag na yung binuangin. What those are the things that I'm joking director on what sa likod, it's really the caveat. It's really the plea. Ako, stop it. Stop. Para may son. Ayaw kong gamitin yan. I do not want to use extraordinary, But I'm also asking you to stop. I plead for you to stop fucking this country. And we all will be alright. Wala tayong problema. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, President-elect Mayor Duterte. Thank you. Yeah, Mayor President, daghan kayo gusto mo pa-picture din mo din. Daghan kayo fans. So I would like to request na hawakan ni Direk Juan, podium. Now this is the way it works, no? As I mentioned earlier, please everybody sit down. Please sit down. And our ushers will guide you to this area here for the photo. We'd like to request a few chairs here, maybe about 5 chairs. One chair left. Okay, this is one chair, please. Ushers, please go to your respective tables. Is the first group ready? Please let me know if the first group is ready. Ready now? Okay. We'd like to request the first group to please come forward meantime while our President-elect is greeting the audience. We would like to request everybody, all you have a chance for a picture taking with so please take your seats.
Sorry kayo.
Listen, let's stop the photo side there because everybody's waiting here. Okay? Please, let's have a little respect for the people here. Thank you. Okay, the photographers, please be ready. Photographers, be ready. Okay. Okay, ready?
Ikaw, Bibis Mayor.
1, 2, 3, take a shot. Okay, that's it. Next match, please. This way, please. Okay, next match, please. Next match. Okay, please hurry, please. Okay, baseball and line, guys. Okay, have your do the later, please, no? Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, ready, please. Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3, take your shot. Done. Thank you. Next match. Okay, just to let you know, there will be a copy from DCI that you can download, okay? have pictures, okay? Don't worry. Okay, next batch, please, next batch. Okay, please go down now. Okay, guys, could you please move? Move, because we're clogging up the area. Thank you. Okay, next batch, please hurry, 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 hurry. Thank you. Okay, those are done, please move forward so the window clock up. Okay, please fall in line now. Okay, as I said, no? You can download your photos from Visayas na po. Okay, ready? I will only count 3 and after 3, that's done. Okay, 1, 2, 3, take your shot. Thank you. Next batch, please. Next batch. Can you double time, please? Okay. Okay, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Shot. Thank you. Go forward, please. Thank you.
Johnny.
Okay. Okay, next batch. Okay, I'd like you to be Paige, Victor, and Deck. Please come forward. Okay, next batch. The ushers are moving. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, shoot. Thank you. Please move to the right. Can you move to your right? Please keep moving. Please keep moving. Please keep moving. Okay, please take your positions. Can you take your positions? Please hurry. Please hurry. Okay. Please move. Take your spot. Okay, are you ready? Ready, 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 ready. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, shoot. Thank you. Please move to your right. Paging Victor Kaindek. I need assistance. Okay, move it, please move. Please hurry, thank you. Please take your spot. Okay, ready? Okay, 1, ready, ready? Okay, ready to take a shot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Thank you, please move. Okay, next group please. Sige na po. Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Halo, Ex Presidente, huwag mo kakao. Ayun lang. Okay, thank you. Ayun mo. Mga yung lataan, hindi na namin yung grupo-grupo. Hindi tayo masunod sa stage, ayun na. Okay, ready, 1, 2, shoot. Okay, thank you. Next batch. Okay, next batch, next batch. Okay. Boss, sige, sige. Okay mo. Okay. Masod pa? Okay. Okay. Sige ba? Next batch.
1, 2, ready, shoot. Okay na, thank you, thank you. Next batch. Next batch. Okay. Oh, everybody cooperate, ha? Okay na po. Off the stage. Thank you. Okay. Sige na. Game in. 1, 2, smile. Okay, thank you. Next group. Ano yung mga taga-Davao? Mga taga-Davao. Who else? Sino pang group? Yun. Davao group. Pusin. 1, 2, ready, smile. Okay. Okay na? Thank you. Next group. Sige na po. Yeah. Okay. Sige pa. Sino pa? Okay. Okay. Sige. 1, 2, ready, smile. Okay, thank you. Okay. Huwag nyo na. Gusto mo magpa-picture yung mga camera. Madalas nyo lang yung hawag. Kaya magpa-picture nyo natin. Okay, next group. Draft creative team. Game. Draft. Sino ba? Draft. Asa man dyan natin mo? Okay, picture. Release. Ayan, manyan na. Okay. Forma na mo. 1, 2, ready, smile. Okay, thank you. Oh, one more. Kaya ang creative director sa Bisaya na po, manang-apel. Boss, tsaka na yung... Dyan. Picture na dyan. Picture na dyan. Pasinsahin na lang kung ano yung creative director sa draft. 1, 2, ready. Draft group. Smile. Okay, thank you. Okay, next group. Next group. Excuse me. Okay. Oh, sige na. Okay. Picture na niya. 1, 2. Oh. Aba na. 1, 2, ready. Smile. Thank you. Next group, Abro. Yan. The ambulance people. Okay. Ang ganda lang naka-Abro. One team. Okay na. Oh, kaya kumana, maliwag ka. Okay na, ha? Oh, sige, pop. Okay.
Boss, Miss May. Miss May or Miss May yata?
Okay na, Amro, 1. Posing na. Ano yung mga bunan? Sir, sige na. 1, 2, ready, smile. One more. 1, 2, ready, smile. Thank you. Kani Amro, ito sa Bandai President ito. Okay, next group. Halo-halo na lang. Okay na. Who else? Can we just ask some of the rest of the groups pwede po yung stage? Sige na. Okay. Sir. Ano, sir? Okay, 2 more. Okay. 1, 2, ready. Smile. Okay, next group. Thank you. Okay.
Asa mang linya, ano? Okay, last thing that already described sa last there. Where's the line? Okay. Okay, bilisan natin. Okay, next group, next group. Sige naman. Okay, 1, 2, ready. Okay na? Okay, thank you. Next group. Okay, good, thank you. 1, 2, 3, ha? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, 1. Okay. Oh, mga lang lang. Once you go up the stage. 1, 2, 3, go. Thank you. Next group. Okay, Sean. Ato na sana ng mga kids ni Marta. Okay. Who else? The group? Okay, go. Okay. Okay. Line up. Oh. Okay. Latinos. Okay. 1, 2. Smile. Okay, one more. Smile. Good. Okay. Thank you. Sir, tagdagan pa natin, sir. Tagdagan pa natin kasi para mapapagkakain. Sige lang, just going to be moved na lang. Because the other side, please. Okay, who else is joining this group? Okay. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Thank you. Next group, please. Ako lang yung pinuha ninyo. Kanina ganaw sa muna yung traffic sa unang sisito. Muna yung stricto nito. Paspasan na sa palihog. Okay. Please. Okay. Sir Bobby. Sir Bobby, we'll take your picture with your back. Okay. Sir Bobby. Okay, posing na. 1, 2, 3. Go. Okay, thank you. Next group. Next group. Okay. Just fill up the stage now, please, so that the others can also take their pictures. Okay. Other side. Napas with the side. Okay, 1,